Welcome, gamers! Did you know that the Corsair K70 RGB PRO isn't just another keyboard? Stick around as I reveal 5 incredible things about this must-have gaming gear that may surprise you. In the fast-paced world of gaming, having the right gear can be a game-changer. Today, we're diving deep into the Corsair K70 RGB PRO wired mechanical gaming keyboard, a favorite among enthusiasts. Are you ready to uncover its secrets? Let's jump in. First up, the iconic design. The K70 RGB PRO retains the durable aluminum frame that made its predecessor stand out. It's sleek and stylish, perfect for any gaming setup, yet rugged enough to withstand intense gaming sessions. However, this premium build does come at a price, making it less accessible for casual users. Next, let's talk about performance. Powered by Corsair Axon hyperprocessing technology, the K70 processes your inputs at lightning speed, transmitting them up to 8 times faster than conventional keyboards. That means less lag and a more seamless gaming experience. On the flip side, this intense performance can lead to a steeper learning curve for beginners. Now let's discuss the star of the show. The switches. The 100% Cherry MX RGB red mechanical key switches offer a linear and smooth key press that's ideal for fast-paced gaming, providing tactile feedback without the clicky noise. While many gamers love the silent operation, some may miss the satisfying click of other switch types. Another feature worth mentioning is the durable polycarbonate keycaps. They come with a standard bottom row layout that perfectly supports custom keycap sets. While this gives you the flexibility to personalize your keyboard, the stock keycaps might feel slightly less premium compared to others in the market. Finally, let's touch on the tournament switch. This unique feature disables accidental macro activations and locks the keyboard into distraction-free static backlighting. It's a fantastic addition for competitive gamers who want to focus solely on their gameplay. However, some casual users might find the functionality unnecessary. So, should you consider purchasing the Corsair K70 RGB PRO? If you're a serious gamer seeking a reliable, high-performance keyboard that can keep up with your skills, this is a solid investment. However, if you're just looking for something casual and affordable, you might want to explore other options. Remember, it's all about what fits your needs the best.